I just got this smart padlock on Amazon. It has a nice fingerprint to unlock it. This is what you get inside the box. You get the nice lock, super sturdy, made in great material, and when you open it, you can access the fingerprint. In the back, you have the Type-C to charge it, but the battery should last a while. Inside, you also get Type-C to USB charging cable, and this, that is if you lose the cover for the plug, and you get an instructional manual. You can register up to 30 fingers, which is great for your family, or if you're registering more than a finger. And the battery should last up to 120 days, which is great. And let me go on and use the app to install it. So I downloaded the app Tuya, and it was very easy to pair it with it. I immediately found it through Bluetooth, and I was able to add 2 fingers. When you're done saving the fingerprints, all you need to do is to put your finger and press it. And as you can see, it opens by itself. And when you're done, you can just lock it back. So I'll be using it here in my storage to keep it safe. I unlock it with my fingerprint, and I can just put it like this and lock it. And it's gonna be super safe. I can unlock it with my app or with my fingerprint.